Welcome to my first video on property for beginners. Today, I'm going to break down an awesome strategy for newcomers in the property game, and we'll start with how to finance your property deal and what kind of returns you can expect. If you've dipped your toes into property research, you've likely come across the term BRRR method quite a bit. Let's decode this acronym. B stands for buy, R for renovate, R for rent, R for refinance, and finally, R for repeat. Step 1. Buy, the treasure hunt. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt for older, run-down properties that need some love. Forget the shiny and new, we're after hidden gems. The goal here is to buy a property with potential, not perfection. By doing so, you set the stage for the magic that follows. Step 2. Renovate, the makeover. Now, think of renovating like giving your property a makeover. There are 4 main ways to do it. Fix what's broken. This is the simple repair strategy. Fix things like heating, electric issues, or drafty windows, the essentials for making it rent-worthy. Cosmetics. Imagine your property as a canvas. Splash on a new coat of paint, put in fresh carpet, update the kitchen, or modernize that old-fashioned bathroom. It's all about making a good first impression. Spatial improvement. This is like rearranging the furniture in your house, but on a larger scale. Maximize rent potential by playing around with the layout, maybe combine rooms for a spacious feel. Increase floor space. This one's a biggie. It's like adding a new wing to your castle. Consider extensions, conservatories, or converting a loft into an extra bedroom. Step 3. Refinance, the upgrade. After your property is all spruced up, it's time to refinance. Picture it as upgrading your property's membership. You get a new loan based on the upgraded value, replacing the old one. This usually covers about 75% of the property price, and the remaining 25% is your cash contribution. Step 4. Repeat, the endless loop. Here's where the real game begins. You take the money you've pulled out of one property, put it into a new one, and repeat the entire process. Keep doing this, and you've got a continuous cycle of property growth and income. Budgeting tips, the financial compass. For budgeting, think of it like planning a trip. Allocate about 10% of the property price for renovations and another 5% for hidden costs, like surveys and legal fees. Aim for deals where you can pull all your money out, buying at around 30 to 35% below market value. The BRRR method is like a strategic game plan that allows you to level up your property portfolio. It's less risky for beginners and a great way to start building your property empire. Future planning, the property chessboard. Now that we've unraveled the BRRR method, think of your property endeavors like playing chess. Each move requires strategy, and the end game is building your wealth. As you repeat this process, you're essentially placing your pieces strategically on the property chessboard, inching closer to financial victory. Cash flow, the silent ally. Your renovated property isn't just a static asset, it becomes a silent ally generating cash flow. Imagine it as a trusty sidekick, quietly working to provide you with a steady stream of income. This passive income is the reward for your strategic moves in the property game. Learning from experience, your property professor. As you navigate through projects, view each one as a lesson. Consider yourself a student in the school of real estate. Your experiences, both successes and challenges, are valuable teachings. With each property, you refine your strategy, learn the market, and become a more adept player in the real estate game. Market trends, the weather forecast. Stay attuned to market trends. Think of it as checking the weather forecast before a big trip. Understanding the market climate helps you make informed decisions. Just like you wouldn't embark on a mountain hike without checking for storms, you wouldn't dive into a property deal without considering the market conditions. Risk mitigation, the insurance policy. Every game has risks, but the BRRR method allows you to minimize them. It's like having an insurance policy for your investments. By focusing on established properties and less complex projects, You reduce the likelihood of unforeseen challenges, making your property journey smoother and more secure. Scaling up the property empire. Picture each successfully completed BRRR cycle as adding a new block to your property empire. Over time, these blocks stack up, forming a formidable structure of wealth. Scaling up is the logical progression. It's like unlocking new levels in a game. With each level, you gain confidence, experience, and the ability to tackle more complex challenges. In conclusion, the BRRR method is your playbook for property success. Think of it as a roadmap, guiding you through the intricate landscape of real estate. Approach each step with the mindset of a seasoned player, and you'll find yourself mastering the property game, one move at a time. Stay tuned for more strategies and insights to level up your property journey.